To view Wells Fargo mobile banking, start by downloading and installing the Wells Fargo mobile app from the App Store or Google Play, depending on your device. Once the app is installed, open it and select the option to enroll in mobile banking if you are a new user. If you already have a Wells Fargo online banking account, you can log in with your existing username and password. If you are enrolling for the first time, you will need to provide your account number, social security number, and other identifying information to verify your identity. You will then be prompted to create a username and password for your mobile banking account. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to protect your account. Once you are logged in, you can view your account balances and transaction history. The app allows you to check your checking and savings account balances, as well as your credit card and loan account balances. You can also view your transaction history, including deposits, withdrawals, and payments. To view your account details, select the account you want to view from the main menu. You can then scroll through your transaction history, which is listed in chronological order. You can also search for specific transactions by date or amount. In addition to viewing your account information, the Wells Fargo mobile app also allows you to transfer money between accounts, pay bills, and deposit checks. To transfer money, select the transfer option from the main menu and follow the prompts to enter the amount and account information. To pay a bill, select the Pay Bill option and enter the payee information and payment amount. You can also set up automatic payments for recurring bills. To deposit a check, select the Deposit option and follow the prompts to take a photo of the check and enter the deposit amount. It is also important to note that the Wells Fargo mobile app uses advanced security measures to protect your account information. The app uses encryption to secure your data, and you can also set up additional security features such as two-factor authentication and account alerts. To get the most out of the Wells Fargo mobile app, make sure to regularly update the app to ensure you have the latest security features and functionality. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. Overall, the Wells Fargo mobile app provides a convenient and secure way to manage your accounts on the go. By following these steps and taking advantage of the app's features and security measures, you can easily view your Wells Fargo mobile banking information and stay on top of your finances.